What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new series that I'm doing, which is the M Sport LCI conversion. This is going to be a fun project that we will be doing. I'm going to start off by swapping my rear bumper to the M Sport LCI bumper. And yeah, let's get started with that. So excuse the mess in the boot, but first off, step one, we want to remove these. And to do that, you've got a flathead screwdriver and you can just clip it out and it should pop out like so. And make sure it doesn't fall. And then we've got these bolts to remove, so now the same here. There we go. Now I'm just going to remove these bolts. Now with the bolts removed, you want to remove your tail lights. What you need to do is just use some force, bend this over like so you have good access to your tail lights. And now what you can do is on the little clip right here, you can just unplug it. I've unplugged it, and now we've got bolts to remove from here. And then this one's already been removed. We remove this bolt here. And these are also the 8mm bolts, so I'm just going to remove that now. Now you want to do the same to this side, so let's just remove this cover. Push it to the side. We have access to the lights, and now you want to use an 8mm socket and remove the 3 bolts around it, and make sure you unplug the light. Now once you've removed your tail lights, we've got 3 bolts that we need to remove. We've got 1, and then we've got 2, and then 3, and then we've got the same on the other side. So we're just gonna go and remove that. So we're just gonna remove the bolt. It's an 8mm bolt all around. Okay, once we have the 3 bolts removed, you want to pull the wheel liner towards you. So got access here. I'm gonna just pull that in front of the bumper. There we go. Until we can see last bolt that you want to remove before you take the bumper off. You want to do the exact same on the other side. Once you remove the 3 bolts on each side and the bolts that connects the bumper to the wing, you've only got these bolts underneath the bumper. You've got one here, and you've got it all around. You can see over here, and all around here. So we're just going to remove these bolts. It's still the 8mm bolts, and then we can remove the bumper. We removed all bolts that was connected to the bumper. Now we just need to clip the bumper out of place. Now what I'd recommend for the tail lights little clippers, you get a flathead screwdriver and a cloth, and then make your way in. I'd unclip that using a cloth, and then unclip the bumper, and you'll see the bumper removal. Now we've got the parking sensors fitted with this vehicle, so you just want to take off these terminals. It's usually just press them together, it'll just click out like that. Simple. Now the next one along. There we go. So this is the new bumper that we will be fitting on. It's already got parking sensors, and it's the M Sport LCI. So yeah, now what we need to do is firstly connect the parking sensors and then clip the bumpers on. So this will go, there we go. Okay, one is on. Let's do the other one. Okay, Second one on. Now, third one. Okay, that's connected on. Now the fourth one. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure they're all plugged in properly. Okay, and now we have, okay. We've connected the parking sensors onto the bumper. Before you click the bumper on, you just want to test the parking sensor out. So I'm just going to turn my ignition on, put it in reverse gear, and see if my parking sensors will work. It works. It's time to put everything together and the bumper back on. So guys, this is what the rear bumper looks like. I mean, I think it makes a huge difference already. Makes it look more aggressive. Now the plans I have, I want to upgrade my alloys, and I'm going to do the LCI conversion to the front, just a brand new bumper, M Sport, and change the bonnet. And I'm looking to get angel eyes. The part 2 of this video will be in regards to the tail lights and the boot, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with everyone else, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.